A 50-year-old watchman in Hyderabad was killed by a speeding Ferrari on Sunday. The family of the victim has now alleged that the person behind the wheels has not been arrested yet. Instead, the driver of the car owner has been taken into custody. The family now believes that there is a cover-up at play in the entire incident. Remember, there has been a lot of controversy behind, and the family now alleging that the driver, the real driver who was behind the wheels, has not been arrested yet. Let's go across to my colleague Aneri now joining us with more on this. But before that, let's recap for our viewers what has exactly happened. A 50-year-old watchman, unfortunately, in Hyderabad was killed by a speeding Ferrari on Sunday. The visuals are on your screen right now. The family of the victim has now alleged that the person behind the wheel has not been arrested. Instead, the driver of the car owner has been taken into custody. The family also believes that there is a cover-up at play in this entire incident. Let's go across to my colleague Aneri. Aneri, this is certainly a big allegation coming in from the victim's family, who are now alleging that the real driver who was behind the wheel has not been arrested. Instead, the driver of the owner of the car has been arrested.
Well, that's right. Now, that is what is the family alleging, that owner of the car has not been arrested, and the family is also alleged that it was not the driver and it was not the person who was taken in custody. It was someone else who was driving the car. As family members say that how can a sports car, such big sports car, be driven by a driver and not by the owner? Well, the police persons also say that it was him alone, the Naveen Kumar Baud, who was the driver, is taken in custody, and FIR has been registered in this matter. But further investigation is still going on. Family members have been demanding for justice, as 50-year-old man who was a watchman at an under construction site has been died on the spot. I mean, as the accident took place, the body, the 50-year-old man who was walking on that particular footpath, was blown into the air, and then he came down and died on the spot. Well, another person also got injured in this accident, where he was walking on that particular footpath.
Absolutely, Aneri. In fact, there are several questions that are now being raised by the family. The number one question is, who was really behind the wheels of the car? The number two question the family is also asking as to where is the CCTV footage hidden? The family is alleging that somewhere there is a deliberate attempt to cover up the entire case that is in play at this point. Even the CCTV footage has been covered up. What more can you share us on this?
Well, that's right. That is what we also visited the spot, and there is a CCTV camera which is installed at that particular place. But the police personnel officials say that the CCTV in that particular area is not working, and it's not working since past few days, and so we do not have the CCTV where the accident took place. But there is a CCTV camera at the opposite side of the road where we can see that the vehicle, that the car, the Ferrari car, which was on a high speed dash onto the footpath. Well, that is what we have, an official version from the police personnel saying that the car was on a high speed, and so this accident occurred as the driver lost his control and could not control the speed of the car and lost. And we have lost one person who is an underprivileged. The native, the 50-year-old man whose native is East Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh. He has come here to earn some daily wage work, and so he's lost his life. And another person who is also a daily wage worker, even we lost his life as well. I mean, he's also injured.
All right. All right, thank you so much, Aneri, for getting us that update. We'll also take a look at this response coming in from one of the injured person who was injured in this particular accident. Also, my colleague Aneri sending us this report from the site of the accident as well. Take a look.
We are joined in by the injured person who is one of the victims of this car accident. तो भैया आप बताइए कि ये पूरा इंसिडेंट हुआ कैसे, किस तरह से गाड़ी आई, किस तरह से आपको चोट लगी और एक इंसान मर भी गया है इस इंसिडेंट में. तो आप पूरा इंसिडेंट बताइए हमें कि कैसे हुआ ये सब कुछ.
मेरे को मैडम उतना तो पता नहीं है. सडनली इधर वेल्डिंग कर रहा था मैं. वेल्डिंग का सडनली से हवा के सर का गाड़ी आ गया एकदम से, आके आदमी को मार दिया. आदमी मर गया. मेरे को उस वेल्डिंग मारते मारते नीचे मैं भी गिर गया. गिरते कि मेरे को चक्कर सा आ गया, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया, मार लग गया पैर को, मैं बाथरूम में बैठ गया मैडम। मेरे को दूसरा कुछ भी नहीं मालूम उसके बारे में।
गाड़ी बहुत स्पीड में आ रही थी क्या?
गाड़ी स्पीड में था मैडम, बहुत गाड़ी तो फास्ट में था एकदम। उसके आदमी मर गया, पूरे आदमी भाग के आ गए। ड्राइवर को देखेंगे बोले तो मैं पता नहीं है, चक्कर चक्कर सा आ गया, मेरे को नहीं मालूम होगा। गाड़ी इधर आके जाली को मार के फिर रिवर्स फिर रोड पे आ गया, चलेगा आदमी ड्राइवर।
किस तरह से आई गाड़ी, क्योंकि बहुत स्पीड में आ रही थी गाड़ी, पुलिस वालों ने भी यही बोला है कि बहुत स्पीड में थी इसीलिए ये इंसिडेंट हुआ। तो किस तरह से आ रही थी वो गाड़ी?
गाड़ी उधर जुबली हिल्स की तरफ से आ रही थी मैडम, उधर से आ रही थी फास्ट में, डिवाइडर कॉर्नर से आ रही थी फास्ट में। आदमी को मार लेके सीधा आदमी को मार के डिवाइडर चढ़ के मेरे पास नजदीक में आ गया, पाइप को लगते कि मार में गिर गया मैडम।
आप क्या चाहते हैं, किस तरह से आपको जस्टिस होना चाहिए, क्योंकि आपको चोट भी लगी है और आप डेली वेज वर्कर है, तो आप किस तरह का जस्टिस चाहते हैं? पुलिस क्या एक्शन लेना चाहिए इसमें?
एक्शन क्या मैडम, मेरे को तो अभी मैं किराए के लिए घर में रहता हूँ, मेरे को खाने पीने का नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं, काम बेकार होगा मेरा, पैसा नहीं है कुछ भी हाथ में। वो भी संडे असली बहुत दिनों के बाद काम पे चढ़ा मैं, कोरोना का भी था, बहुत दिनों के बाद चढ़ने के बाद अब वो कुछ भी मेरे कोई बोले भी नहीं, पैसा देता वो देता बोल के नहीं बोले, कुछ भी नहीं बोले, बात नहीं करे मेरे से।
कोई कंपनसेशन की कोई बात नहीं हुई है?
नहीं हुई
पुलिस वालों की तरफ से ना वो ड्राइवर की तरफ से?
कोई भी नहीं बोले मेरे को।
आपको क्या लगता है, जब वो ड्राइवर जिस स्पीड में आ रहा था, वो आपको लगता है कि वो नशे की हालत में थे, वो गाड़ी चलाने की हालत में नहीं थे, ऐसा कुछ आपको लग रहा है?
अब वही तो मैडम मैं बोल रहा हूँ, अब उसको ब्रेक मारने की जगह एक्सीलेटर मार दिया सरकार, दिख रहा मेरे को, दौड़ आ रहा मेरे को, वही दौड़ आ रहा वही। उतना फास्ट आया बोले तो, उतना फास्ट आया, बहुत फास्ट आया, हवा के सर का आ गया एक ही बार, बहुत फास्ट आ गया, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया कुछ भी मेरे को।
The Ferrari car accident which took place on Sunday evening, well, we are at the spot where the car accident took place, and this is the road which leads to Madhapur. This is the 100 feet road, and the Ferrari car was on a speed, on an overspeeding, and was coming from Jubilee Hills road number 36 towards 100 feet road, and this is the footpath where the car jumped on, and this is how it all broke down, and also that barricade which you are seeing has broken down. This is one of the area here in Madhapur where the incident took place. The car rushed into these barricades, and also one person was injured who was working here, and the watchman who died on the spot was flown in air to and feet of near this pole, and then came down and died on the spot. Well, this is the spot where the Ferrari car accident took place. The Madhapur police officials rushed to the spot, took the driver, who is Naveen Kumar Gaud, 29 years old, was taken in custody. IPC section 304 and 184 of Motor Vehicles Act has been registered under this particular incident. Well, there is a CCTV as well here, and as we can see, this CCTV pole directly shows the direction of road number 36, which is the 100 feet road here, but the officials say that this CCTV is not working, and so the CCTV footage is not yet out in this matter. The Ferrari car accident which took place on Sunday evening on Hyderabad in Madhapur area, well, this is the car which occurred accident on the road number 36 towards 100 feet roads, which was going towards Madhapur. Well, you can see the condition of the car, how high speed it was, and this is the damage which is done to the car. Well, now the family members have been claiming that it was not the driver who was driving the car, but it was the owner who was driving the car. As it's a very expensive car, then why will a driver be driving this car? That is what the family members of the deceased person who died on the spot have been alleging. Well, there was one more person who was injured, who was walking there on the footpath, was also saying that he has been received minor injuries, but yes, the police personnel have asked him if in case anything is needed further for inquiry, then they will take up his call and also take him as a witness in this matter. ఆ డ్రైవర్ బయట వచ్చినాడా, మీరు చూసారా?
మాకు అతను మేము అతను రోడ్డు రేవతలో ఉంటామండి. అతను నడిచి వెళ్ళబోతుకి 5 నిమిషాలే పడుతుంది. ఇలాగ వెళ్ళిన 5 నిమిషాల్లో అయింది. మేము వెళ్ళి 5 నిమిషాల్లో మాకు అక్కడ ఎవ్వరూ కనిపించలేదు. మాకు 5 నిమిషాల్లో తెలిసింది. మేము వెంటనే పరిగెట్టుకుని వెళ్ళాం, కానీ అక్కడ యాక్సిడెంట్ అయ్యింది, ఎవరు చేశారన్నది కూడా ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా మాకు తెలియదు. అతనికి ఒక్కడే ఉన్నాడు అక్కడ. గాయాలైన వాళ్ళు కూడా మాకు ఒక్కరు కూడా కనిపించలేదు. చనిపోయిన ఆయన ఒక్కడే పడి ఉన్నాడు అక్కడ. మేము వెళ్ళబోతుకి ఇప్పటికి ఇంకా రాత్రి నుండి ఇక్కడే ఉన్నాం. మేము ఒక్క న్యాయం కూడా జరగలేదు. ఆయన వచ్చి కనిపించి ఎదుర్కొంటే మీ సమస్య ఏంటని అడిగితేనే మేము డిమాండ్ ఏంటన్నది చెప్తాం.
అయితే మీరు చెప్తున్నారు ఆ బండి స్పోర్ట్స్ కార్ ఆ డ్రైవర్ అయితే నడిపారని చెప్తున్నారు. మీరు ఆ డ్రైవర్ ఇంకా కలవలే అని చెప్తున్నారు.
అవును.
మీకేం మీరేం ఇంకా ఏం డిమాండ్ మీది?
మాకు ఒకవేళ డ్రైవర్ అయినా డ్రైవర్ని పెట్టుకున్న ఓనర్ అన్న వచ్చి అడగాలి. డ్రైవర్ అయితే డ్రైవర్ పెట్టుకున్న ఓనర్ ఉంటారు కదా, ఆ ఓనర్ చెప్పకుండా కారు డ్రైవర్ తీసుకుని రాడు. ఆయన వచ్చన్నా సరే మా డ్రైవర్ చేశాడు కాబట్టి మీకు ఏం డిమాండ్ కావాలని ఆయన అడిగితేనే మేము చెప్తాం. అంతవరకు మేమేం చెప్పం. సీసీ కెమెరా అక్కడ ఉంది. యాక్సిడెంట్ అయిన ప్లేస్ లో సీసీ కెమెరా ఉంది. సీసీ కెమెరా ఫుటేజ్ కూడా మాకు చూపించలేదు. నైట్ అన్నా సరే సీసీ కెమెరా క్లియర్ గా పడుతుంది, కానీ ఎందుకు పడలేదు? సీసీ కెమెరా ఫుటేజ్ క్లియర్ గా లేదని చెప్పారు. అక్కడ సీసీ కెమెరా ఎదుర్కొంటున్నప్పుడు సీసీ కెమెరా ఫుటేజ్ కనిపించి ఉంటది కదా.
उधर काम कर रहे हैं सीसी कैमरा, इधर नहीं कर रहे काम. वही बात करना है ना. वो उन लोग को बोले तो नहीं सीसी कैमरा क्लैरिटी नहीं बोल के बोल रहा.
ఓనర్ क्या बोल रहे? ఓనర్ आके मिले क्या आपको?
ओनर रहते नहीं आया, गाड़ी वाला ओनर नहीं आया, इधर नहीं आया. उसको ड्राइवर को बिठाया, उसमें ड्राइवर बिठा के.
आपको पक्का मालूम है क्या वो ड्राइवर है बोल के?
ड्राइवर है बेटा, कल बोलती मेरे को बात तो हो गया. ड्राइवर है उधर अंदर.
कि जो गाड़ी चला रहा था जिससे एक्सीडेंट हुआ वो आपको पक्का मालूम है कि वो ड्राइवर ही है बोल के?
मैं बोलता हूँ पक्का ओनर है. ओनर एक्सीडेंट होने के बाद ओनर चले गया, भाग गया. उन लोग भाग गए के पीएस के आने के बाद ड्राइवर को भिजाया उधर. ड्राइवर भिजा के उसमें बिठा के ओनर घर पे से इधर फोन मारता. उन लोगों को कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा, उल्ले भी कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा. एक्सीडेंट है तो होगा. मेरे पास भी आए, फोटो भी आए, सब है मेरे पास. मैं भी बता बोले तो मैं बताता हूँ. मेरे क्या होना बोले तो मेरे को 2 लड़के एक बच्चा है. उसको कुछ करना है, वो करे तो मेरे को अच्छा है.
मैं क्या पूछ रही हूँ आपको कि जो गाड़ी चला रहा था वो आप बोल रहे कि वो ड्राइवर नहीं है, वो ओनर है बोल के बोल रहे हैं.
पक्का ओनर है. उधर भी पीएस का कैमरे है. उधर पीएस का कैमरे. अभी स्पोर्ट्स कार है कि कोई भी ड्राइवर नहीं लगाते. एंजॉय करने के लिए कार है वो, आपके भी मालूम है. एंजॉय करने के लिए कार है. ये गाड़ी की ड्राइवर लगाते.
मैं क्या पूछ रही हूँ कि जो गाड़ी चला रहा था एक्सीडेंट होने के बाद गाड़ी में से उतर के चले गए वो लोग.
एक्सीडेंट हो गया के वहाँ फुटकोट पे नीचे लगा गाड़ी, नीचे लगा के आदमी चले गया.
We'll go back to my colleague Aneri now, who got us these voices of the family of the victim. Aneri, you spoke to several of them. They are raising certain serious allegations against the owner of the car. They believe that the owner was the one who was riding the car, and now the driver of the owner has been arrested. What is the official version coming in from the police authorities? Because this will be a serious matter of investigation if it turns out to be true.
Well, that's right. When we see the situation, what the family members have been telling of the deceased person, the 50-year-old person who was deceased in this matter, who died on the spot, who was a watchman at an under construction site. Well, he died on the spot, and the family members very clearly alleged that it was not the driver, it was the owner of the car who was driving, and after the incident took place, the person who was driving the car left from that particular person and called the driver and made him sit in that particular place. But the official version, the police, Madhapur police, says that it was Naveen Kumar Gaud, 29 years old person who was driving the car, and it was over speeding. The speed of the vehicle was very high. It was coming from Jubilee Hills area towards a 100-feet road which leads to Madhapur area, and then he lost his control there and dashed into the footpath where a person was walking, and this particular person who died on the spot was walking at that particular footpath. Well, the police personnel also say that FIR has been registered.
Right.
Further investigation is going on, but at the same time, police personnel have registered and
Right.
section 304
So, Aneri, there are
part 2
several
of
questions
IPC
that are still
and 184
unanswered. We'll
of
wait
Motor
and see
Vehicles
what the
Act.
police investigation reveals. Thank you so much, Aneri, for getting us those voices as well as those serious charges that the family is getting for us. We slip into a very short break. We'll be back with the latest on the other side. Plus,